Hey guys, Sam from Baller BBQ here, and today I'm cooking one of my favourite things to cook when I'm out camping or down at the beach, and that is chicken, bacon and mushroom kebabs, or kebabs as the Americans call them. And today these ones I'm going to cook on my Weber Go Anywhere. It's a little grill. Look it up, it's really awesome. It's almost like it's designed for cooking kebabs on. So let's get into it. So here I've got some mushrooms. I'm just going to slice them up. Just take the bottom stalk off, slice them fairly thick. If you do them too thin, when you put them on the skewers, they'll tend to split and then they just fall off. Then I'll just slice those slices in half into kind of little quarters. And I'll just do that for all 4 mushrooms. Okay, so that's the mushrooms cut up. Now I'll just put them on a plate and put them aside, and then we can cut up our bacon and chicken. So now I've got my bacon. I'm going to cut that up fairly big into about 1 inch square. And here I've got 2 chicken breasts. Just remove any of the fat. A little bit of fat's on there's fine, but just some of this big stringy stuff, just get rid of it. Check for any little splinters of bones as well. And I'm going to cut this into about the same sort of inch cubes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for both chicken breasts. Alright, now the chicken's all cut up. We'll grab our mushrooms and some skewers. I've got some metal skewers here. And I'm just going to feed on the ingredients, just put them on evenly. And when you put the mushrooms on, you just have to be a little bit careful that they don't split, but if you're careful it's not too hard. So we'll just keep threading these on. Okay, so we've finished the first one here. And it should make about 4 or 5 kebabs. So I'll just go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so I've made up 5 kebabs, and I'm just going to put them in a dish here, and then I'm going to cover them with a little bit of Kewpie mayonnaise, or Japanese mayonnaise. I find this just helps keep them moist and adds a ton of flavour. So we'll just squirt that on, and then brush it over the kebabs. And then we'll flip the kebabs over and do the same on the other side. Okay, so they're looking real good, so we'll take them out to the grill. So here I've got my Weber Go Anywhere. I use this thing down the beach or when we go camping, and cooking kebabs like this is perfect on this. Just take the grill off that you'd usually use for steaks, throw in your coals, and then the kebabs just fit across there perfectly. So the secret to doing kebabs this far off the coal, like there's only about 1 inch between the meat and the coals, is turning it all the time, like just constantly turning it. And the good thing with these kebab skewers is they're flat, so they don't roll. So I can just keep flipping them side to side. And you can see they're browned up nicely. If you don't keep turning them, they will burn really, really quick, and you'll just end up with raw chicken in the middle probably. So just keep turning it constantly, but these are looking good, so we'll take them off the grill. Alright, here they are. Nice and brown. chicken, bacon, mushroom kebabs. Perfect. So these look absolutely delicious, so I'm gonna get into it. Alright guys, so that is the chicken, bacon and mushroom kebabs cooked on the Weber Go Anywhere grill. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I do lots of cooking on different types of grills on this channel, so make sure you don't miss out. And we'll see you again next time.